We're on the AntiAllergy delicate still. 22 minutes. Don't know what it'll do now. I think it might just distribute. Just like telling what's that we're in here today. One of them does say it needs to go in the delicates, but I think it'll need another faster spin afterwards. Subscribe to the channel, definitely, because I don't want you missing out on all the new cycles that are coming, which have just landed yesterday on the app. There's like cashmeres, silks, mask refresh, mask sanitizer, quilts and duvets. What else? Can't remember now. Trainers. That's another one. So all those will be coming very soon. So stay tuned. But in the meantime, press subscribe, like, comment, and follow the Instagram pages as well. I'm on Instagram.